Ladies and gentlemen, I'm privileged to be here today to share my view on the mass adoption of Web3 and DeFi. My name is Aaron Tsai, founder of Moss Capital, a US investment bank, MossFi Financial Blockchain, and HBS DeFi app. As the world is moving into Web3, which incorporates blockchain technologies, decentralization, and token-based economics, the speed of mass adoption is a key issue for the financial prosperity for investors, entrepreneurs, and other Web3 participants. Web3 not only brought new business opportunities, but also raised new concerns and problems, many of which will take time before there are answers. Regulators worldwide have already been overwhelmed by regulating crypto-related financial activities. The introduction of DeFi, or decentralized finance, and the upcoming decentralized social media services pose even greater regulatory challenges and new social problems. On the self-regulation side, Web3 companies, especially financial companies, need to enhance security by adopting risk control procedures, enhance transparencies to gain the trust of users and investors. Tokens as a new class of security, rights of token holders versus rights of equity stockholders, need to be defined in the corporate charters to avoid conflicts. Last year, we witnessed the collapse of Bankman-Fried's crypto exchange FTX, as he simply stole billions of investors' assets. High-interest scheme offered by lending platform Celsius with yields up to 18%, and Terra Luna with no financial discipline rolled out Anchor, a program that was part of the Terra Luna ecosystem, offered 20% yields. Many of these financial institutions took advantage of investors' greed, which blinded their judgment. A so-called USD stablecoin, Terra USD, which was not backed by US dollar denominated assets, was destined to fail on day one. Terra USD was backed by capitalism, or more specifically, arbitrage, with the fancy name algorithmic stablecoin, which fooled the unwitting public. I have my own MossFi HBS ecosystem, so I'm also issuing an algorithmic USD stablecoin, USDM, this month, which is backed one-to-one by my personal social token, ATT, or Aaron Tsai token. To clarify, USDM is backed by my personal credibility, symbolized by ATT token. ATT and USDM trading pair will be listed on HBS's Hashbrown swap for trading. Based on ATT's trading price and trillions of ATT tokens to be issued, I will be the first trillionaire in the metaverse. Before Elon, through Tesla's stock, made many millionaires. I plan to do the same, starting in the metaverse with DeFi wallets. As governments worldwide lack the ability to regulate entities operating outside of their jurisdictions, notably finance, investors are seeking security in DeFi. DeFi is an innovative and powerful tool designed to solve problems of traditional financial system built throughout many centuries. I believe DeFi is and will replace CeFi, as many investors lost confidence in entrusting their assets to CeFi institutions. DeFi wallets and applications will become the financial infrastructures of Web3. The development of Web3 and DeFi is hindered by the difficulty in DeFi access. It is highly complicated for a non-DeFi user to set up a wallet, back up the seed phrase and private keys, set up network configuration for each chain, and switch back and forth. The slow speed and high gas fee for the token transfers. With the aim of mass adoption of Web3, my team and I formed MAS5 Financial Blockchain and built HBS, the first DeFi app running on MAS5. HBS is an all-in-one DeFi app designed for everyone. Our promotional line is use DeFi as easy as eating a hash brown. We have streamlined essential DeFi services into HBS, which starts with a click on the wallet icon, a built-in decentralized exchange hash brown swap, P2P lending, token sale launchpad, to eventually become a financial supermarket. You can access HBS via a web browser-based wallet by entering www.hbsswap.com and click on the wallet icon. As there is zero KYC, all you need is enter your email address to obtain a verification code. A non-crypto user do not even need to learn about the concept of a private key. Token transfers are completed using Google Authenticator. HBS has a cross-chain wallet. You can immediately store BTC, ETH, and BNB in one single wallet without any network configuration or switch back and forth on different networks. You can transfer BTC, ETH, BNB, and other tokens within 2 to 3 seconds, and the gas fee is only 10 cents US. This makes HBS wallet ideal for P2P payment, as well as for online and offline store owners to receive payment using major cryptos. The cross-chain Lightning transfer and low gas fee capabilities are enabled by MAS5 Financial Blockchain. MAS5 is a layer 1 blockchain with layer 2 cross-chain with 3 public chains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BSC. MAS5 is 100% Ethereum compatible, operating at 10,000 plus transactions per second, achieved through random proof of authority. HBS has been operating on MAS5 since December 2021. MAS5 began initial round of private sale of its gas token MASX last month. HBS has a breakthrough in DeFi access with ease of use offered by CeFi, as well as security and transparency offered by DeFi. DeFi is rapidly evolving in forming a more secure and efficient financial service ecosystem to mirror and eventually replace the old. The new DeFi system already has a tremendous impact on the outdated centralized financial system, or CeFi. The DeFi war is on in dominating the new financial world. Using artificial intelligence, or AI, and blockchain technologies, DeFi players have an edge by commoditizing financial services with higher efficiency, hence lower cost. In the great CeFi to DeFi transition, according to Grandview Research, the global DeFi market size was $11.78 billion in 2021, with compounded annual growth rate of 42.5% from 2022 to 2030. According to Citigroup, the decentralized exchange are growing faster than centralized exchanges in the past 2 years. We have already seen how DeFi is transforming global finance. DeFi provides equal and easy access to people in the underdeveloped nations as well as developed nations, provided they have mobile phones and internet access. Even a child with sufficient internet proficiency can participate in global finance or sail a magical sword in the metaverse. An unbanked person living in Amazon forest or the Himalaya mountain can receive salary, create NFT artworks, or invest in a security token version of REITs in Taipei. DeFi is transforming banking and financial services, just like how AI has disrupted the wealth management business. In commoditizing financial advisor services with AI advisor in portfolio review and construction process. In a similar way, DeFi is commoditizing certain core services offered by banks, notably peer-to-peer deposit and lending, like BTC and ETH collateralized loans, which remove the need of customer service representatives, can efficiently process high volume of transactions. As DeFi technology matures, financial companies will compete mostly on customer experience. Traditional financial companies like Coinbase and Binance both operate centralized digital asset exchanges, have already introduced DeFi services. Lacking the DeFi gene, waiting for new regulations, and slow to adopt DeFi technologies, it is inevitable many traditional financial institutions will be replaced by DeFi newcomers, which provide control and transparency to the users. A good news for traditional banks that are determined to enter the DeFi space is the availability of open source technology and DeFi protocols to launch innovative and specialized products and services quickly, or partner with HBS, which is seeking co-branding partners to quickly launch their DeFi services on HBS, leveraging HBS's DeFi technology and focus on business aspects of their specialized financial services. Game, NFT, and metaverse companies can utilize HBS as their financial infrastructure to scale Web2 users into Web3. As DeFi has successfully penetrated commercial banking space, it will not be long for us to see security token offerings, or STOs, replacing IPOs. We have already witnessed a bubble in the NFT business, securitizing digital artworks, which is a subsector of the huge security token business. Any asset on Earth, whether tangible or intangible, can be securitized and tokenized for trading. As the old saying goes, you have seen nothing yet. Current DeFi market size is only the tip of the big iceberg. Although STO market has not really taken off for corporate equity or real estate, DeFi services have already entered the security business, using utility tokens with staking in liquidity funds, which is investing in a fund for investors to earn exchange trading commissions. In the future, exchange traded funds, or ETFs, and mutual funds can use AI, algorithms, and smart contracts to automate the investment management process, charge lower fees, and provide easier access to investors. These funds will be listed and traded on blockchain-based security token exchanges. MassEX, a global security token exchange I founded, plan to build 2.0 version on HBS. AI can help determine if a fund's strategy is working, or spot a new trend developing in the marketplace. Applying algorithms and smart contracts, trade executions, and portfolio rebalancing will be controlled by smart contracts, replacing the need of a human manager to plan and place trades. Ultimately, DeFi applications will provide equal access to people as well as AI robots. In the age of DeFi protocols, rather than banks, will determine who qualify to receive financial services, which is also the mission of HBS in building a decentralized financial supermarket for everyone, including non-crypto users and the unbanked population on Earth. HBS completed an IDO and is trading on HBS's hash brown swap since 4th of July 2022. IDO investors paid 1.8 cents US, and the price went as high as 20 cents last year. HBS is seeking to raise $20 million US in equity to bring in 1 million Asian users in 12 to 18 months. HBS plans to focus on 3 business areas, including listing and trading of new altcoins, collateralized P2P lending, and payment services. For the payment service to be rolled out, soon, we will enable DeFi users to use their tokens in DeFi wallet to access fiat via Visa card for charges and ATM withdrawals. Let me share my history in traditional finance. This is a Wall Street Journal article about me in 1999. After the publication of this article, I became known as the king of shells. I spearheaded the public shell business long before it went mainstream and known as SPACs today. SPAC, or Special Purpose Acquisition Corporation, is an alternative to IPO in taking private companies public on NASDAQ and NYSE. I founded Moss Capital in 1995 and have advised over 30 companies in going public in the US. Today, I'm fully committed in spearheading the blockchain and DeFi business with MossFi and HBS. Thank you for listening.